Hey, so welcome back. This video is going to be unlike anything I've ever done before.
So nervous.
I've always believed the best way to conquer your fears is to face them head on. And that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So I have a huge fear of open water. It's not something that I've ever liked doing, and it's always hindered me in the past. And tattoos, I have none. I've never had a tattoo before. It's just never been something that's that high on my list of things to do, but we're going to change that. Let's do this. Right then, so I clearly didn't want my first tattoo just to be any old first tattoo, and this is why I'm sending myself over to the Philippines. So I'm currently sitting here in Sydney International Airport, ready to board my flight. The flight consists of flying from here to Singapore, and there's a couple of hour layover in Singapore, and then from there heading over to Manila. However, the travelling doesn't stop there, because from there, I think I'm there for about 10 hours, and then from there I have an overnight bus that will take me to the village where Apo Whang Od lives, and she is the over 100-year-old tattoo artist in that village. The idea of swimming in this open ocean as well as getting this tattoo absolutely terrifies me, because not only am I swimming in this ocean, I will be diving with whale sharks. So if there's not a way to get yourself out of comfort zone, then I can't think of anything better. However, I firmly believe that pushing myself through these boundaries will help me develop myself as a person and really help me grow. That's the idea of putting myself through this fear. And what better place to do it than in the paradise of the Philippines? So let's head over there and let's do this. Even though we've only got a couple of hours, we had to get ourselves into the city of Singapore. This is my third time being here now, and every time it amazes me. I love it here. So that was a very whirlwind tour of Singapore right there, back at the Jewel here in the airport. Unfortunately, it's not running as it's currently 11 PM. We're just going to get some food and hopefully sleep on this flight to Manila. It's only 4 hours. That should be fun. And then in the evening we've got that coach trip into the tattoo lady village. So it's going to be a long one, but I'm excited for it. Let's keep going. Right then, so I have just arrived in Manila, ready for the first adventure. We're here for about 8 to 10 hours before we have to move to head to the village to go and get our tattoos. So let's go and explore Manila for a little bit. It's now a couple hours after getting back from walking around Manila for a little bit, getting some food. I did then just completely crash because I haven't really slept in the past couple of days with the couple of flights that we've taken. So now it's time to get ready to get on this bus.
So after quite a hectic taxi drive, it took us a while to be able to get a taxi. The guy was super helpful. That is in the security guard for our apartment. But we've made it. We're now just waiting, grabbing some food, waiting for the bus to arrive. It's just collecting some other people. We've got about an hour. We've ordered some food. Josh doesn't really know what he's ordered. You excited for it?
Very excited.
Nice. Yeah, we'll see what arrives. Should be good. So we've just been picked up by the bus, so we are a little bit crammed in here for the next 10 hours, but it'll be an interesting trip. I think we've got like 4 hours like this before our first stop, and then from there, hopefully we can get some sleep, and then wake up in the morning and get there, I hope, but we'll see. It's going to be an interesting ride, but it should be fun.
By this wonderful view. Take a look at that. It looks amazing, and as the clouds are clearing it looks even better. Oh, I'm still exhausted though. It's been really difficult trying to sleep on the bus. It's quite crammed in, but I'm making it work. Nearly there now. So that was not what I'd normally order for breakfast. Eggplant and egg with some rice, but it was really good. I'm not sure Emma and Josh enjoyed their stew kind of thing, but no, I enjoyed it. And now just checking out the view behind me. So I am very underprepared as per usual. It's just started to rain. However, the lady in the shop just behind us just offered me her umbrella. So sweet. I'm going to see if I can bring it back down to her, but so sweet. Everyone here has been so nice to us. And so the trek begins. Down a steep hill. Whoa, loose rocks. Ooh. It's not too bad of a view though. It's raining, but the rain is actually quite refreshing. It's only slightly raining at the moment. So it's not too bad. But when it starts to pour a bit heavier, which it feels like it is now, we have to get the umbrella up. That over there is potentially our path up. Over there is where we started. And I'm pretty sure there's a long way to go still. So we just arrived in the homestay. A couple of mattresses on the floor. We've got 4 people in this room. There's 3 of us, so we're gonna have a surprise guest. I'm a little bit nervous. It's like a couple of hours until we get our tattoos. I think I'm fully set on where I'm gonna have it, but it's starting to get a little bit more real now. I've got my needle, my thorn that's under here. My little thorn that's gonna be pricking me. Yeah, definitely getting more and more nervous now as time goes on, but yeah, it'll be fine. He says hopefully. Right, so we are on our way now to go and meet Apo Whang Od to go and get these tattoos. I've shaved my leg a little bit to prepare for it. But yeah, we're just walking through the village now to go and meet her. Great fun.
Sorry, nervous.
Just had it done. It was slightly painful to begin with, but it's fine now. Just a little bit of blood for you. Right, so we're all tattooed up. What do we think, guys? How was that? Beautiful. Shows up. Nice. Beautiful. That's the first fear overcome. We are one down. We've got another one in the next couple of days. It's going to be even worse, but I think we can do this. We've done this one, so let's try and do the next one. Right then, so that brings our trip to an end here in this wonderful village. Got our tattoos. It's time to trek down back to the van and take that horrendously long journey all the way back. So we've nearly made it down to the bottom, slowly getting there. Morning. So friendly here, like everyone you pass, they all say good morning or hello, or it's really nice to see. And I've still got to return this umbrella. That is my number one task. As soon as I get back up there, return this umbrella. Back on the bus. Let's get back to Manila. Right, so that is one fear overcome. However, the main fear is what's coming next. Swimming has never been my forte, and I'm about to go and swim with whale sharks. So what is just 1 second for you guys, it's been a couple of days for me. I'm here in Cebu, another part of the Philippines, ready to take the journey down to the south of the island in Oslob to go and swim with whale sharks. So in the morning, we are leaving at 4 o'clock and we're going to go and take this journey down south and hopefully overcome this fear. I'm a little bit terrified, but also I'm super excited. After we swim with whale sharks, we're going to go canyoneering as well, just to add to that experience. Again, it terrifies me to do it, but let's do this. So we've arrived in Oslob, and I think the idea is to go and see how long it will take us to go and see the whale sharks. If we can't see them straight away, then we will go somewhere else first and then see what happens from there. So we've just had our briefing for the whale sharks. Our number is a little while away, so we're going to quickly go somewhere else first and then come back and be ready for our number. It looks like, I think it was like at 90 and ours is like 240. So you've got a couple of hours by the sounds of it before we can get in there. So let's see where we're being taken now. So after that little hectic motorbike ride down the hill, we have made it to the falls. We are waiting for our guide to come through and then maybe we can go in. It looks a little bit murky, but it looks really cool from here. I'll show you around. We're here. Hey, let's go. It looks amazing. Something out of Avatar. Further on from the waterfall a little bit, there is this fish pond where there's like all of the little fish that like eat away at the dead skin on your feet. So we're gonna put our feet in there.
This is way nicer than what I thought it would be. There is quite a lot of people here, however, but it's just delaying the thought of swimming with whale sharks. So I'm getting like, I'm trying to enjoy this, but at the back of my mind there's still like this huge nervousness. But we're pushing ourselves today. It's fine. We are standing with our feet, or sitting with our feet in the water with fish, eating them, and then later we're going to be eaten by a big fish. So it's a nice full circle. So we're back towards where the whale sharks are, and hopefully our number is coming up pretty soon so we can get on the boat and go and swim with these wonderful creatures. We on, boys? Yeah, boy! We're on and ready. Haven't seen any yet. I'm so nervous. This is your chance to face your fears and just get on with it. Can't believe we're doing this.
I'm actually really scared now, but also very excited. Here we go.
That was an absolutely unreal experience. Never did I think I would ever do that in my life. I mean, it was petrifying, and there was a part where I was just like unable to let go of the boat.
I'm so scared. I can't let go of the boat. I need to let go.
Just out of sheer fear of like being swept away in the ocean. But with the life jacket and things like that, it made it a lot easier. I don't think I would have been able to do it without it, so that was not too bad.
So even after all of that, our day is still not at an end. We are just about to have some lunch, and then we are heading to the canyons to go canyoneering, which again is not something that I ever thought I'd be doing. Let's use travelling to push ourselves into uncomfortable situations that will make memories forever.
Thank you. We're here ready to do our first jump. So it looks like it's just about 2 meters, so it shouldn't be too bad, but still a little bit nervous because it's the first one. We are ready to go. I am nervous.
See, Emma was planning on just walking this route, but somehow she's already jumped. Love it. Trekking through this river, waterfall after waterfall. I'm not sure how tall the next one is, but I'm sure it'll be awesome. I'm terrified. I'm just got a new light. That is amazing. What a place to do something like this. Like, you wouldn't really catch me in England or Wales doing something like this, but here, how can you say no? It's beautiful. I can't believe this is happening, honestly. This is bonkers. Push yourself, you'll never know what you can achieve. Just in a little cave here, pushing my way through. Awesome! We're just seeing the 10-meter jump. Might not be that high for many people, but this is terrifying. Falling water. Oh. This is terrifying. Like, I don't even know if I can make it up there, let alone do it. Just go straight up. Climbing straight up, using this rope. Oh. Oh shit. I'm not ready for this. Maybe don't chase waterfalls. My god, oh shit. I don't know if I can do this. If we can do this, I am honestly terrified. Fuck me, it's so hard. Oh my god. I honestly do not think I can do this. Why? Why did I choose this? Try not to look, try not to think. Just do it. It's so high. Is this okay to hold? Yeah. Yep. Careful on the road. Go on the last stop, Okay. The last stop. I don't know if I can. Come on, Josh! You got this, lad! Come on! Just don't think! Do it! Come on, Josh! Come on! You got this! Go! Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Yes! Woo! That was terrifying. I can't believe I did that. Oh my god. I cannot believe I've just done that. Okay, I cannot believe I've just jumped off of here. That is crazy. Oh my god, I was so close to not doing that. And I just completely forgot about everything and just decided, fuck it, let's go. Oh my god, this is crazy. Like 10 meters doesn't sound like much, but when you're up there, That was mental. This is what we just did. Me. How did I just do that? Right, let's go into this cave now and just relax for a little bit. Just floating in a cave. Damn it! Hello! That was really cool. Now we're out of the cave and we're going back through the waterfall and back the way we came. There's a couple more jumps, I think, maybe a slide as well. So let's get through this last bit of pure insanity. Okay.
Oh, nervous.
It's not as bad as the last one, we're fine.
I feel like I'm more nervous for this one.
Oh, okay.
Go on, Baba.
Go on, you can do it.
Go.
Just step and
You
go.
got this. You
Step
got
and
this.
Go.
Step and go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, so I am back at my accommodation now. Unfortunately, my GoPro ran out of power towards the end of the canyoneering, but still, it was an awesome experience. We went down like a little slide and one more jump, which you would have missed, but it was really, really awesome. Facing these fears really hasn't been easy. However, it's been unbelievably rewarding. Being able to do these things here in the paradise of the Philippines has been amazing. The people here are really special. They're so welcoming and so happy all the time. They just sort of come up to you, give you a smile, give you a wave. The children are like walking up to you, just saying hi. And it's a really nice and welcoming atmosphere. If you ever get a chance to do something like this, I highly recommend it. And finally, I want to leave you with this one message. Don't forget to push yourself, and who knows what you can achieve. See you next time.